Hey, what's up? It's Roy here. So today I have this really awesome Taurus silicone MagSafe case here. It's gonna run you around 39 bucks. If you are interested in buying it after watching this video, then do follow my Amazon affiliate links down below. Packaging is very recognizable with Taurus, has this really cool holographic kind of pattern there, Taurus branding here. So let's get this bad boy out. So now obviously this is for my 14 Pro, but they do make it for other models. So like I said, if you do want to buy it, just follow the link down in the description. Got your little warranty card here that you can kind of scan with that QR code. And then getting this out, it comes in this packaging here, has this little foam inside, and that's all she wrote. So this one in particular is just their black one. It is a silicone case, like I said, so that is one thing about silicone cases, depending on what kind of jeans or pants or shorts that you're wearing, it does pick up little lint and stuff like that, but has a very, very soft touch. The interior has this fantastic velvet material inside that your phone is going up against. Does have built-in MagSafe magnets, as you can see there. It does say Mega Mag here, so like I said, it's a very, very, very strong magnetic MagSafe ring inside here, and then it does say Taurus there. The interior, the velvet does go up to the sides as well, and you do have some reinforced corners here and a reinforced camera bump that's going to help with drop protection, since this is a silicone case, that elasticity will help, prevent it from a break, hopefully. Now with the install, let's start with the volume up and down buttons first. Push in, and there we have it. Very simple install, very easy to put on. And that's all she wrote, guys. Nothing to it. It's a very minimalist case, in my opinion. A very easy case to recommend, but it does have a really nice touch to it. So yes, it's silicone, but the grip, it does seem to be present. Once again, though, it is silicone, so that's up to you if that's something that you prefer or not. But there is no fingerprint issues. There is no smudging that I've seen so far. I've had this case for about 7 days and used it on and off. But with silicone cases, with the oils from your hands, over time, it is going to show some sort of oils or smudges. So quick wipe down, no problem at all. Now the camera bump design here, like I said, you do have some lips around the camera bump. So we are getting some good lens protection. They're nicely recessed in there. So if you place it back down on a surface, they are going to be protected. So you're going to be happy there. Now looking at the side, it is very basic, right? Black, that's it. We do have a little bit of a raised button, but it is very minimal. So it's not sticking out. Once again, it's that minimalist look. So I can feel it when I'm holding it, but it's not protruding out. So we'll do the clicky button test here in just a minute. Now looking at the bottom here, you can see that we do have our lightning port and our speakers cut out very nicely there. And then moving over to this side here, kind of the same story going on with these buttons. They are very flat. They do stick out just a tiny bit, so you can almost feel it just a tad bit. And then we do have a nice little cutout there for the alert slider. And then looking at the top, that's kind of the top-down look with their camera bump there. Now looking at the front, you can see that we do have some raised lips around the forehead and chin and sides. So if we do place it face down, we are going to get some screen protection, and it is tempered glass friendly. I do have the Taurus Snap Hill tempered glass installed, which I did a video on. You can follow the card up above, but this one is a full screen protector and does just fine. And then that's the look of how the design is, where the actual speaker is up top. Looking at it from the front, you can see how slim it is. It's not a thick case, but the black borders are very slim and easy, so nothing too crazy. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test. So face down first, it's absolutely flat. There is no shaking going on. And then if we go back down, we're gonna get some shaking, not really on the sides, but once you start to get more up top, you're gonna start getting that. But that is just something unfortunate with the 14 Pro and Pro Max, especially with that big camera bump. So now let's go ahead and do that clicky button test. I'm very curious to see how responsive these are. So let's do the power button first. And volume up and down. Okay, so even though they're flat, they are actually pretty dang responsive. So that is a big plus there if you like clicking and tactile buttons. So now let's go ahead and see how easy it is to actually get to that alert slider. So pretty easy. I hate cases that make it almost impossible to get inside there to get that going, but I'm barely using my fingernails and it does a fantastic job. So now last but not least, let's test out that MagSafe MagSafe ring, right? So slapping it on there, it does make it MagSafe compatible. Obviously we knew that, but that MagSafe ring actually holds on pretty dang good. I mean, I'm shaking pretty hard there and it finally came off. So can it come off? Absolutely. But in normal situations, if you use a MagSafe charger, like a stand in your room, or you use one of those MagSafe chargers like in your air vent or something in your vehicle, this is going to do just fine. I have 2 different ones that I tested it with in my vehicle while I was driving around, and it did just fine, never fell off once. So there you go, guys. There is the silicone MagSafe case from Taurus. So if you're interested in just a basic, easy to use black silicone case for your iPhone, then this, guys, is an easy one to recommend. So definitely hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Make sure to follow these cards if you are interested in checking out any more of my other videos. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.